How to create a contact form on a Blogger website using Google Forms. Hello friends, in this tutorial we shall show you an incredible, simple yet effective way to enhance your Blogger site by embedding a professional contact us page using Google Forms. Go to Google Forms and log in with your Google account. Create a new form. Click on blank form and give it a name such as Contact Us. Create a field titled Name. Select a short answer option and make it a required field. Click the plus button to add another field. Name it Email Address. Choose the short answer option and set it as required. Again, click the plus button. Name this field Message. Select the paragraph option for long responses and mark it as required. Go to the Settings tab to configure how responses will be collected. Enable users to edit their submissions if necessary and do not limit responses. Click the Publish button and in the pop-up window, click Publish again. Next, click the three dots menu and select Embed HTML. Adjust the iframe dimensions as needed and copy the code. Link a Google Sheet to track responses. In the Responses section, click on the green spreadsheet icon and hit Create to link the form to the sheet. Name it InspiTouch Responses. Embed the form on Blogger. Navigate to your Blogger account and open the contact page you have already created. Switch to the HTML view and paste the embed code. Click Updates and refresh your blog. Test the contacts form. Enter sample data into the form to ensure it works correctly. Submit the form and confirm that the data is being sent and recorded. Verify responses. Check the responses section in the Google Forms to ensure the submitted data appears. Open the link Google Sheets to confirm the details. For instance, name, email, and message are automatically populated along with the timestamp. Once this step is completed, the process is fully automated. Any new data entered in this form will instantly appear in both the Google Forms response section and the linked Google Sheets. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.